Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and uninstall apps on our Google Wear OS smartwatch. So let's check it out. Google might change the settings or options for doing this in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. When we get a new Wear OS smartwatch, we will be excited to explore it further by installing new applications and games. So we will share the steps to install and uninstall the apps here. First, to install the apps, just like we do on our Android phone, we can open the Google Play Store app icon, this triangular color icon, we can open it. We will get like this. We are using OnePlus Watch 2R now, but the steps should be more or less the same for other updated Wear OS watches. We can browse all the available applications here. We can find several categories. We can find all the apps optimized for Wear OS here. If we want to install any specific application like a music app, let's say Spotify, then we can search for the app name. We can search for the app name here and we can select that and we will get the install option here. We can select the install. That's all. We have to make sure we have an active Wi-Fi or cellular connection on our smartwatch, or if it is connected to our smartphone, that should be fine too. Also check if you have enough battery on your watch. So we can see the Spotify app icon here. We have successfully downloaded and installed the app. And if we want to uninstall any apps on our Wear OS smartwatch, then we have to go to the Google Play Store app. And we have to go to the bottom. We will have this manage apps section. We can select that. So here we can see all the applications. We can select the one we want to uninstall and we will get the uninstall option here. We can select that, or we can go back and we can use the search option in the Play Store. And we can search for any app we want or any app we have on our phone. We can search for that. We can select that and we will get the uninstall option here as well. That's all. There is also another way to do this. We can go to our Wear OS settings, this gear icon. We can select that. Then we can go to apps and notifications. Select that. Then go to app info. So here we can see all the apps we have on our Wear OS smartwatch. We can select the one we want to uninstall. For example, if I want to uninstall this, we can select the uninstall option. That's all. It will be gone. We can also do this on our smartphone. If it is connected to our smartwatch, we can open the Google Play Store app on our smartphone. Select the Google account we have on our watch. Search for the app and we will get the install and uninstall option here. But we can prefer the direct smartwatch method itself. It will be easy. These are the steps to install and uninstall apps on our Google Wear OS smartwatch. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.